Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add the project in the Toggl Track application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the plus sign at the top of the page on the right. So here you can just start type what you've been working on, and you can add tags and projects, and you can edit the start and the stop time. And once you're did that, then just click on the add button. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.